Welcome back. Goa government's AIDS Control Society has failed to make needed awareness about AIDS in high schools and in rural areas. The recent issue over HIV-positive students at Rivona High School is the best example. The work records of the society shows nil awareness coverage in high schools and rural areas in Kepe. Watch report.
The issue is still unresolved in the Rivona High School with the admission of HIV-positive students. Parents are neither ready to understand nor ready to cooperate. The episode has brought to the fore the lack of awareness among the parents about the HIV. Actually, this is the job of Goa AIDS Control Society and NGOs which are funded for the job by the government. However, the past record of such campaigns in Kepe speaks it all. Have a look. In 2013-14, only 9 Red Ribbon Club awareness programs were held in Sangye Kepe area. That too, the programs were at the higher secondaries, IIT and the Polytechnic institutes. Not a single program was held at the high school level or in rural government schools. 7 cultural programs were held in the name of AIDS awareness. Last year in June, training workshop was held for Anganwadi staff. However, it received poor response. However, Sangye MLA Subhash Fardesai has shown readiness to back HIV-positive students.
हांव एक गोष्ट सांगपाक शकता की हांव आमदारकी सोडपाक पडल्यार कोता येता पूण ह्या 23 भुरग्याचे भवितव्य अंधाराक वचपाक काळखांक वचपाक डार्काक वचपाक हांव दिवचो ना आनी त्या खातीर हांवें सांगलें जर जायत इफ यू आस्क मी टू पुट माय चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो इन दॅट स्कूल आय एम प्रिपेर्ड टू डू दॅट प्रोवायडेड दे शूड रिटेन ऑल देर तांचे भुरग्यांक कोणाच्यान काडपाक जायना काडपाक नाका इफ दे आस्क मी मिशनरीज सुद्दां आसा जर जायत आय वील मेक arrangement to accommodate some of these students in my house also. I can go to that extent, but at any cost I will support this cause.
Savio Dice and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Power Minister Milind Naik reiterated that 11 kV power supply line would be laid underground across the state in phased manner. 250 new meter readers would be appointed to facilitate Goans with monthly electricity bills. He spoke to media after addressing grievances of residents in Tivim. Residents complained of frequent power cuts and lack of maintenance by the electricity department.
Power Minister Milind Naik, Thivi MLA Kiran Kanolkar, engineers of electricity department heard the grievances of residents in Thivim.
हे जो कोडण्यो भायर जाल्ले आहा ते बेगींतल्या बेगीन चेंज करपाक कितें तरी उपाय करपाक जाय ताका आतां ऑगस्टान तें कंप्लीट जाता आनी ऑगस्टान नंतर आमी जेला कडेन दिवन आनी 250 मिटर रिडर इन हावस घेवन आमचेरूच डिपार्टमेंटाचेरूच करपाची तयारी केला आनी तें सक्सेसफूल जावचें जेणे करून बारीक लोकांक एक्युमुलेट जाल्लेलीं बिलां फारीक करपाक आडमेळ्याचे त्रास जाता 11 केवीचे सगळे लायन अंडरग्रावंड करपाचें आमी हांव जेन्ना सीएमा कडेन उलयलो तेन्ना तेणी सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे एस्टिमेट करपाक लाय आनी फायनान्शियली कितल्या पर्यंत शक्य आहा तितलें आमी करपाक प्रयत्न करा अशें म्हाका आश्वासन दिल्या नंतर हांव ओपनली लोकांक सांगता की 11 केवी सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी आमच्या कन्सर्न नींकय सांगलेला जाता तितले बेगीन एस्टिमेट करून सरकारा कडेन घाला जे शक्य आहा फायनान्शियल पोजिशन ज्या प्रमाणे आहा तशें कितल्या वर्सांनी जाय तें सांगूंक शकना पूण आमी एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी घेवन तें करपाक प्रयत्न करया ओन्ली 11 केवी केले जाल्यार अबावट 90% सोल्युशन येतलें इंटरप्शनाचें हें आमचें म्हणणें आहा.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time for Goa to promote ecotourism, agro-tourism and sports tourism besides beach tourism. That's what the Union Minister of Tourism for State, Shripad Naik, says. He was speaking at the 30th installation ceremony of the President and Managing Committee of Travel and Tourism Association of Goa held on Saturday.
30th installation ceremony of the President and Managing Committee of Travel and Tourism Association of Goa held on Saturday at Varka Salsette. The President Francisco de Braganza was reinstalled as the President for the 2014-2016 term with others from the Managing Committee. Union Minister of Tourism for State Shripad Naik was the chief guest.
Beach tourism जर सोडलं तर अन्य जे काही टुरिझमाचे ब्रँचेस असतात ते ब्रँचेस आमकां सुरू करचे पडटल्यो फॉर एक्झाम्पल इको टुरिझम आसतलो एग्रो टुरिझम आसतलो वेलनेस टुरिझम आसतलो विलेज टुरिझम आसतलो किंवा स्पोर्ट टुरिझम आसतलो आनी त्या स्पोर्ट टुरिझम कित्याक म्हणटा की ज्या आमकां एक वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स चाला दिवपाक लागून जवळ 39 करोडाचे आमी बिल्डिंग ते सुरू केल्या ऑलरेडी दोना पावलाचे तितून तालिगांव सुरू केल्ले आसा आणि ह्या वॉटर स्पोर्टाच्या माध्यमातून टुरिस्ट हांगा येवची अशी आपली इच्छा आसा. म्हणजे सह्याद्री सेंटर जालें बरें युनिक सेंटर जातलें. त्यातून अशा सगळ्या टुरिजमाच्या हाका वाव निश्चितपणे मेळटलो.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar was the guest of honor. The TTAG President Francisco de Braganza, however, raised concern over Goa losing charm and its unique identity.
The growth of international tourism is not keeping pace with the growth of domestic tourism. This is creating an imbalance, and Goa is gradually tending to lose its charm and unique identity.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.